What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well today. Hope you're having a really good day today. What's going on? I reckon, I don't know, I've been watching so much Australian Survivor, I feel like. Anyway, today I'm going to be talking all about eyebrows, my eyebrow routine, what I do to these brows. Every time I make a Q&A video, I get, because I ask you to send me questions that you may have for me, and in those questions, I always get asked a few times if I do anything to my eyebrows, which is really interesting, but I do, I can't say that without a straight face. I do trim the brows like once or twice a month. When I used to go to the mall a lot, I would always see the kiosks at the mall, the threading stations, eyebrow threading, and I'd always see guys more time than not getting the eyebrows threaded. I feel like it's really important to have your brows shaped and nicely trimmed, unless you like it that way. That still looks cool as well. If you like bushy eyebrows, go for it. I don't know, I feel like if you have a unibrow or you have hairs all around, it's just nice to kind of trim it up and clean it up. I don't know, I just feel like it makes you look cleaner and more put together, if that makes sense. I've done threading twice, but it's not really my thing. I just prefer having that control myself, just to keep the natural shape. That's all I really do. And my tutorial is not really that crazy or elaborate. It's really simple, really quick. Honestly, like all you need for this, of course, is tweezers. You need some tweezers, any store, Amazon, anywhere. I mean, my mom actually gave me this, or I took it from her bathroom and she was cool with it, so I've had this for a long time. You also will need a brush, an eyebrow brush. You can even use a little eyebrush comb. I just use this, it works. This is actually clear eyebrow gel. I do use this sometimes just to kind of keep them in place, but I use this to kind of brush the hairs up. Now, this is optional. A lot of guys do use this. I don't use this personally, but if you want, you can use these little scissors. You can brush the hairs up and then trim around. I don't do that, but like I said, a lot of guys do use this. Real quick, I want to tell you before I go on with the tutorial is to not overdo it. Less is more, and just be careful, be slow. Just go around the eyebrow. I don't want you to come back and be like, Jair, thanks to you, I fucked up my eyebrow. What did I do? So just be careful, less is more. And that's pretty much it. Before I get into the tutorial, if you would like to click subscribe, that'd be amazing to get notified whenever I post a brand new video. Someone's calling me. All right, let's get going.
All right, guys, so what I do is I brush the hairs up. You can use the scissors at this point if you have extra long hairs, but I just like to keep it really natural, so I don't do that, like I said. So just brushing the hairs up, and then I try to take out the unibrow hairs first, and make sure you don't go too wide. You know, you want to make sure you follow the outside edge of the nose bridge, if that makes sense. And yeah, I'm just taking away any unibrow hairs. You can't really see on camera, but I promise you there are hairs there. And yeah, I just always like to follow the natural shape of the eyebrows. You don't want to over pluck. You just want to, you know, kind of see what is out of place and just start, you know, plucking away. It kind of feels a little weird at first, not gonna lie. If you've never done this, it doesn't really hurt, but maybe I'm just used to it. But yeah, just kind of trying to keep it very, very natural. I don't want a perfect rectangular shaped eyebrow. I just kind of like to clean it up. And then as you can see, I have a lot of random little hairs. It kind of looks like a shadow underneath the eyebrow. So I'm just cleaning that up and just plucking away. Like I said, it's nothing revolutionary what I'm showing you. This is just what I do. And it kind of helps when I close the eyelid like that. And you'll see in a little bit, you're gonna start seeing, you can probably see now that you're starting to see red on my eyelid. It's a sign that I'm plucking those little eyebrows. And I'm kind of forwarding this clip because it's kind of, I don't want to bore you, but you're gonna see a difference right now with this eye compared to the other eye. It just looks a little bit more cleaner, a little more sharp, if that makes sense. And yeah, you just want to do the same thing on the other eye. And I actually should have waited until I really grew the eyebrows out, because I had done this already about 3 weeks ago, so I didn't have too much hair, but you'll see a little difference. And I noticed there was some more hairs in the middle there that I didn't take out, but you'll notice a difference with the other eyebrow. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I can definitely tell a little difference. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have a specific grooming routine. Do you do threading? Do you not touch the brows? Let me know in the comments. And how is everything going? Hope you're all doing really well, sending positive vibes your way. And you can, by the way, I can see the redness around the eyebrow. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm gonna log off here and let me know what you wanna see next. With that being said, I will see you in the next video. Adios.